The Infinix Note 70 Pro Plus is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse in the smartphone market, offering a combination of high-end specs that rivals many flagship devices. It features a 144Hz QHD plus Super AMOLED display, delivering incredibly smooth visuals with vibrant colors and sharp clarity, ideal for gaming, media, and multitasking. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8's Elite processor, providing top-tier performance capable of handling the most demanding apps and games. The phone is equipped with a massive 8,000 mAh battery, supported by 90W fast charging, ensuring all-day usage with rapid recharging when needed. Photography is taken to the next level with a 300MP main camera, allowing highly detailed shots and advanced imaging capabilities. Storage and memory are equally impressive, boasting 2 TB of internal storage and 32 GB of RAM, making the device virtually future-proof for power users. Overall, the Infinix Note 70 Pro Plus combines extreme performance, cutting-edge display technology, massive battery endurance, and professional-grade photography in a single device.